Kate Middleton leaned in for a hug with a young woman navigating cancer during a meeting at Windsor Castle. On October 2, Princess Kate and Prince William's team revealed that the couple met with Liz, a 16-year-old aspiring photographer from Harrogate, England, on the same day William held an investiture ceremony. In January, Liz was diagnosed with desmoplastic small round cell tumor, a rare and aggressive form of cancer, and was given between 6 months and 3 years to live, according to the BBC. Liz was invited by William to photograph the investitures as part of her photography bucket list. A pleasure to meet with Liz at Windsor today. A talented young photographer whose creativity and strength has inspired us both, the Prince and Princess of Wales wrote on social media. Thank you for sharing your photos and story with us. Red Heart, the wrote. The royals signed the post WNC, using the initials of their first names as shorthand to signal that the message came directly from them. On September 9, the Princess of Wales announced via video message that she completed chemotherapy treatment. Kate shared in March that she was undergoing treatment for cancer, and has been outside of the spotlight for much of 2024 to privately prioritize her health. In one of the photos, Princess Kate, 42, embraces Liz in a warm hug. The second image shows Prince William and Princess Kate standing with Liz and her family. People understands that the Prince and Princess of Wales privately spent time with Liz and her loved ones after the investiture. Prince William heard about Liz through the London Air Ambulance charity, of which he serves as patron, and the Prince of Wales team posted some of her photos from the investiture to the official social media accounts he shares with Princess Kate. In May, Liz's mother Vicky shared her daughter's photography bucket list to X in a post that's gained traction with thousands of likes and shares since. Liz's photography hobby connects her to Princess Kate in a special way. The Princess of Wales is known for her photography hobby and has described herself as an enthusiastic amateur photographer. She serves as patron of the Royal Photographic Society and often hops behind the camera to take pictures of her children Prince George, 11, Princess Charlotte, 9, and Prince Louis, 6, for their birthdays or other milestone moments.